We? Hii ni iliibiwa. So ni vile mvua ikigongana hakuna kusikika. Sijawahi ona kitu kama hii. Sijawahi ona kitu kama hii. Na ni pesa mingi. No way, no way. People are so merciless. So merciless. Imagine all the 4 wheels are gone at night because it was raining. This is my neighbor. Na huku tu ni his area za Kasarani. All the 4 wheels. Guys, my advice is that avoid parking your cars outside. With the heavy rains at night, nobody will hear anything happening. Thieves will vandalize the whole car and no one will hear anything. So make sure that your car is parked in a very safe place this rainy season. Just watch this video and just see how people are so heartless and so merciless. These things to replace will cost this guy nothing less than 150,000. If he brings back his alloy rims and the top tier tires that he had, Trelleborg or something, the best quality, it will cost him nothing less than 150,000. We sawa guys.